these are the TUKIO Locator tags. These things I use all the time for wave runners, for golf carts, and things that might walk out of my backyard or such. But these are good for keys, bags, luggage, anything that tends to go missing in real life. This is a 4-pack, and it comes ready to use. There are batteries installed. There are protective cases for each, and the tags are lightweight, 1 by 1 basically, okay? And they pair instantly with your Apple Find My app on your phone. But these have real-time tracking. The proximity sound alerts and integration with the Apple network make them so easy to locate, whether they're nearby or far away. These have replaceable batteries, up to 1 year life, and they are waterproof. So good for travel, outdoor bags, water bottles, or anything. Like I said, I'm going to use these for golf carts and wave runners, but experience with these using with 200 feet. The alert tone is 80 to 100 decibels, easy to hear from another room, or map accuracy inside the app gives you quick updates. If the product is outside the Bluetooth range, the Find My network steps in using nearby Apple devices to help update the item's location in the background. I like that you can use left behind alerts, and that could be good for like wallets, backpacks, luggage, or sending notifications of items that move away from your house or your phone, like wave runners or golf carts, okay? Really easy. It has a button on the side. It's all ready to go. It'll beep, okay? And so basically, if you want and use Apple devices and want simple, reliable way to keep track of keys, bags, luggage, or everyday essentials, this pack here offers solid performance, easy setup, and strong tracking features at a very good value. This item was gifted for review.